Hi there, my name's Amanda Murphy and I'm an artisanal ceramicist. I make functional art pieces and I'd like to thank Sir Arthur Lewis Community College and OAS for this lovely competition. This is how I approached my artwork. What you see here is a combination of local clay, i.e. clay that I dug up in De Bril in St Lucia, with the white British stoneware, so it's the British representing the colonial, the local clay, and then we have this. Now it looks like it's red, but it's actually red iron oxide. Now this comes out as black. This is a functioning water bottle. I've called it Persist, and that's the water bottle stopper because I like functional pieces as well as art. This piece is a vase. I call it a life circle vase called Endure, and it's to celebrate the African slave practice of hiding seeds about their person and taking seeds with them so that wherever they end up they can plant their homeland.